Hey guys, we're just gonna go over the stuff that you're gonna get for the Night Amongst the Stars party and dinner. So we're gonna get a backdrop, foam stick, and a noisemaker. That's for our party. Then we're also going to get discs for the tables. We're gonna get coasters, a clapper with a standee, which goes like this, pins, vintage film statue, and Hollywood man statues, 2 of those. Alright guys, so we're gonna put 2 clappers, like that, the vintage camera, and the large Hollywood man, and kind of making it look nice. And so therefore on the setting, by the plate, we're gonna put the coaster, the small Hollywood man, and the pin. So it kind of looks like this. For the open party, you will use the backdrop and the red carpet, which you will use as a 3D effect. Everybody in the party will receive glow sticks and the noisemakers, which you can also use as a photo prop. Make sure you fold them like so and have some fun with it. Have an awesome time.